Today we are in Brazil, in Paraiba states, to discover more about the world of Paraiba tourmaline. So Paraiba tourmaline is the precious gemstones we usually use in high jewelry. So here in Brazil, there are two areas for extracting this precious gemstone, Rio Grande do Norte and Paraiba. So we will discover both, we'll visit the mines, and we'll follow all the process for extraction with the selection and the cutting. So let's go. So we are here in the mine of San José da Batalha in Paraiba State. This mine was found by Ettore Barbosa in 1982, and it took him 7 years to find the first tourmaline, so in 1989. And you have to know that this mine is the historical mine of Paraiba State. That's where the first Paraiba tourmaline has been found. And so here you can see we are in the tunnels. That's the entry of one of them. So looking for Paraibas, you have to follow the vein. And by following the vein, you have to look at the minerals. So here you can see mica, you can see quartz, you can see some iron, the yellow parts. And so that's a very good indication to know exactly where the Paraiba tourmalines are.